Want to know why some people become wealthy while others stay stuck? In today's video, we break down the science of getting rich, not with fluff, but with practical principles you can start applying today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another Luxefluent video. Number 1. Wealth is your birthright. The foundation of Waddell's teachings begins with a powerful statement. Every person has the right to be rich, not just for luxury, but to live fully. Wealth enables people to develop their potential, support their loved ones, and contribute to society in meaningful ways. Being rich is not a selfish desire, it's a natural one. If you want to travel, learn, grow, build, or share, you need resources, and those resources come from wealth. Waddell says, to live fully in body, mind, and soul, you must be financially prosperous. Denying this truth is what keeps many stuck. Number 2. There is a science to getting rich. This is the crux of the entire philosophy. Getting rich isn't random, it's based on certain laws, just like physics or mathematics. Anyone who follows these laws with consistency can expect results. This idea flips the narrative. It's not about being born into money, having a degree from an elite university, or getting lucky with investments. It's about understanding and applying the laws of wealth creation. You don't need to compete, beg, or chase success. You need to align your thoughts and actions with this certain way that Waddell talks about. Number 3. The world is abundant. Scarcity is a myth. Waddell teaches that the universe is made of thinking substance from which everything is made. This substance responds to thought. You can form things in your life by holding clear, consistent thoughts and taking effective actions. There is no lack of wealth in the world, only a lack of belief and understanding. Believing that others have to lose for you to win keeps you on the competitive plane. But when you create new value, you enter the creative plane where abundance flows. This mindset shift from scarcity to abundance is critical. You are not taking wealth from someone else, you're making more of it. Number 4. Getting rich through creativity, not competition. Many people spend their lives trying to outdo others, undercutting prices, mimicking strategies, or chasing trends. But Waddell says competition limits your results. Creation multiplies them. When you build something new, provide genuine value, and serve others with purpose, you don't have to fight for your piece of the pie. You bake your own. This is especially relevant today. The most successful people don't just offer better versions of what already exists. They offer new ideas, solutions, and experiences that reshape entire industries. Number 5. Think in a certain way. This certain way of thinking is the core of the philosophy. It has 3 parts. Clarity. Know exactly what you want. Don't be vague. Be specific and detailed. Faith. Believe that it is already yours. Faith creates certainty in your actions. Gratitude. Be thankful for what you have and for what's on its way. Gratitude connects you to abundance and keeps you out of fear. Waddell says if you hold the image of your desire with unwavering faith and act with purpose, the universe will rearrange circumstances to bring your vision into reality. Number 6. Acting in a certain way. It's not just about thinking, you must act and act now. Many people delay action because they're waiting for the right time or perfect opportunity. But Waddell insists, do what you can with what you have from where you are. Don't wait. Move. Moreover, your actions must be done efficiently and with the intention of creating more value than you receive. In every interaction, aim to enrich others, whether it's a business transaction, a conversation, or a piece of content you share. Number 7. Increase life for all. A key principle is to make every person and situation you touch better. This is what Waddell calls advancing all. If you give people more in-use value than you take in cash value, you're enriching their lives. And when people's lives are better because of you, success becomes sustainable. This isn't just about generosity, it's about alignment. When your work genuinely helps others improve their lives, they support you. Your reputation grows, so does your wealth. Number 8. Gratitude, the amplifier of faith. Gratitude is more than being polite. It's a powerful practice that tunes your mind to receive. When you're grateful, you're in harmony with abundance. You focus on what's working rather than what's missing. This prevents fear and doubt from disrupting your vision. A grateful person sees opportunities everywhere. They attract resources, people, and ideas because they're already aligned with a prosperous future. Make gratitude a daily habit. Reflect on what's going right. Thank the universe for both what you have and what you're receiving. Number 9. Visualization and emotional alignment. Visualizing your goals is not daydreaming, it's training your mind to expect and prepare for the result. When you repeatedly see your desired outcome in your mind's eye and feel it as already real, you begin making choices aligned with that outcome. This practice builds emotional certainty. You don't need to know how it all come together. You only need to trust that it will and keep taking the next logical step. Number 10. Avoiding negative thought. What you focus on expands. If your thoughts are centered around debt, poverty, lack, or fear, you draw more of that energy into your life. Waddles warns against reading negative news, dwelling on failure, or associating with people who live in limitation. These influences pull you back into the competitive, scarcity-driven plane. Instead, feed your mind with empowering content, surround yourself with visionaries, and stay focused on what you want, not what you're avoiding. Number 11. Belief in a higher creative power. Waddle's teachings are spiritual but not religious. He reforms to a formless, intelligent substance that fills the universe, a creative energy that responds to thought. Whether you call it God, the universe, the infinite, or spirit, the message is the same. You are co-creating your life with a higher power. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with truth and purpose, this force supports your journey. This belief provides not just motivation, but deep assurance. You are never alone in the process of becoming wealthy. Number 12. Practical steps to apply daily. To close, here's how to live the science of getting rich every day. Number 1. Get clear on what you want. Write it down in detail. Number 2. Visualize it each day. Feel it as if it's already real. Number 3. Practice gratitude for what you have and what's coming. Number 4. Act now. Use today wisely. Be efficient. Be intentional. Number 5. Give more in value than you take in payment. Number 6. Trust the process. Keep going, even when results aren't immediate. Number 7. Avoid negativity in thought, conversation, and environment. This is not a get-rich-back scheme. It's a mindset, a method, and a mission. If followed faithfully, it creates transformation, not just financial, but personal and spiritual too. Now that you know the science, are you ready to apply it? Start visualizing, acting, and thinking in the certain way. Click on the video in the upper right to keep growing. And remember, subscribe to Luxefluent for more content like this. Get fluent, stay fluent.